What if I told you that your furry friend might not be as safe as you think? Many pet owners are blissfully unaware of the uncomfortable truth about kennel cough vaccinations. Imagine stepping into a vet's office, feeling confident because your pet is vaccinated. You believe they are protected from kennel cough, right? But the vaccine dose cover all strains, and suddenly that sense of security starts to fade. Here's where things get tricky. Many people assume vaccines are foolproof, but that's not the case. Just like us, can be vulnerable to different strains of a virus. While the vaccine can help reduce symptoms, it doesn't guarantee complete immunity, a reality many pet owners overlook. Let's visualize this picture: a busy dog park on a sunny day, filled with playful pups. Everything seems perfect until an unvaccinated dog arrives, carrying a strain that the vaccine doesn't protect against. Just one playful bark could lead to a serious health issue for your beloved pet. This is meant to scare you. It's crucial to understand the risks. Even vaccinated pets can carry and unknowingly spread kennel cough to others. So, what dangers might be lurking in your neighborhood? Now, think about how often do you chat with other pet owners? Do you really know their pets' vaccination histories? It's easy to trust that every dog is safe, but that trust could be misplaced. Many pet owners don't fully grasp the nuances of vaccination effectiveness, leaving their pets at risk. What if your pet does get infected? The coughing and wheezing can be distressing for both of you, leaving you to wonder if there was more you could have done to protect them. This heartbreaking reality is something many pet owners face. So, what can we do? Stay informed. Inform. Talk to your vet about vaccination effectiveness and ask questions about new strains. It's essential to understand the limitations of the vaccine and remain vigilant. As you leave the vet's office, take a moment to reflect. Your pet's health is in your hands, and knowing this uncomfortable truth empowers you to make better decisions. Remember, awareness is your best defense. Stay proactive, your furry friend deserves it. If you found this information eye-opening, share it with fellow pet owners. Let's build a community that protects our beloved pets together. Have you ever noticed your dog acting differently after a trip to the kennel? It's not just anxiety, it could signal something more serious. Many pet owners believe that vaccinations offer complete protection. However, plenty of dogs still catch kennel cough even after being vaccinated. Imagine your beloved pup returning home, coughing and feeling sluggish, all because of a false sense of security. Kennel environments can be breeding grounds for illness, and the vaccination may not cover all strains of the virus. Have you ever felt that nagging worry when your dog is just panting from excitement but might actually be trying to communicate something important? Think back to when you dropped your furry friend off at the kennel. You probably felt confident, believing the staff had everything under control. But what if the kennel isn't as clean as it seems? What if other dogs there carry a strain your dog wasn't vaccinated against? That feeling of helplessness when your dog is acting like themselves is tough. Ways, tis, the cells, tails. Imagine being at home and noticing your dog suddenly avoiding their favorite toys, or, even worse, shivering in a corner. This isn't just stress, it's a signal that something is off. Many pet owners overlook these signs, brushing them off as typical stress reactions. But what if that stress is hiding something deeper? The reality is that kennel stress can lead to more than just anxiety. It can weaken their immune system, making them more susceptible to infections. Let's raise the stakes. What if your dog's seemingly minor cough turns into a serious respiratory illness? It's not just a bad day at the kennel, it could mean weeks of recovery. You'll do anything to prevent that, right? So, what can you do? Start by closely observing your dog after their kennel visits. Look for any changes in behavior, appetite, or energy levels. Pay attention to the signs they were trying to show you. And before you book that next kennel stay, don't hesitate to ask questions. How often are the common areas cleaned? What vaccinations do they require? Knowing this can make a huge difference. As we wrap up, remember your dog can't speak for themselves. It's your job to advocate for their health. Keep them safe, keep them happy, and never ignore the signs they give you. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing for more insights that matter to you and your pet. Take care of your furry friend, they trust you with their lives. Have you ever thought your pet was completely safe from kennel cough? What if I told you that the reality of vaccination effectiveness might surprise you? Many pet owners believe that vaccinating their dog guarantees protection from kennel cough, but this common belief is filled with uncertainties. Picture this: you're at the dog park, surrounded by happy, playful pups. Your dog is having a blast, but a little worry lingers in the back of your mind. What if one of those dogs has kennel cough? You trust the vaccine, but do you really understand its limitations? Many pet owners don't realize that vaccine effectiveness can vary significantly. Some vaccines work well, while others not so much. These differences can leave your dog at risk, even after vaccination. Let's imagine this: you've planned a weekend getaway to a pet-friendly hotel, and your dog is up to date on vaccinations. You think everything is fine. But what if those vaccines don't provide the protection you believe they do? With excited dogs everywhere, the risk could be lurking around every corner. This isn't just about your dog getting sick, it's about recognizing the hidden risks many pet owners overlook. Now, imagine a friend at the park shares their experience. They trusted the vaccine but found their dog coughing weeks later, feeling disbelief and frustration. Feeling disbelief and frustration.